Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make McDonald's barbecue sauce. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of ketchup, 2 tablespoons of white vinegar, 1/4 cup of brown sugar, and 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. Also, prepare 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, and a pinch of cayenne pepper. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's get cooking. Pour all your measured ingredients into a small saucepan. Whisk them together until everything is well combined and smooth. Make sure there are no clumps of brown sugar or spices. Then, bring the mixture to a gentle simmer over low to medium heat. This step allows the flavors to meld beautifully, creating that signature taste. As your sauce simmers, stir it occasionally to prevent it from sticking to the bottom of the pan. You'll notice it starting to thicken slightly, which is exactly what we want. This gentle cooking process helps deepen the flavors. After about 10 minutes, give it a taste. If you prefer a bit more tang or sweetness, feel free to add a little extra vinegar or brown sugar to your liking. Once your barbecue sauce has reached your desired consistency and flavor, remove it from the heat. Let it cool completely to room temperature. This is important for both safety and flavor development. Once cooled, transfer the sauce into an airtight container. Refrigerate it for at least 1 hour before serving to allow the flavors to fully develop and meld. Enjoy your homemade McDonald's-style barbecue sauce.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.